Ryan's finishing up on this Honda over here. We just got a new flex pipe, and we also, up top, just put in a new water pump.
Water pump, timing belt, thermostat.
Yeah, that's some heavy duty work right there. But we just knocked it all out for his cousin, and she's gonna be coming in to pick up her car. Yeah. For today's episode, I just wanted to basically introduce one of the cars because Nick has this really awesome Q50.
Yep.
And it has a
3.7.
And it has a whole bunch of work done to it already. So I just want to show you guys what his car can do right now.
All right, you ready for it?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun this. So here we go over. Meow. Woohoo! Look at this. We got just G's all over the place. Everyone sits here and says their cars are too dirty when I do this. Woo! Look at that.
Looks tough.
Totally, yeah, but you can smell the gas. Yeah, this thing's nice. Woo! Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Show me what Dude, that thing is crazy. That's awesome. Yeah. I want to see what this thing feels like. Yo, cool. Yeah, I want to see. I want to see what this thing feels like. You said, oh man, this thing has so much done to it.
Yeah, it's got full bolt-ons right now.
Yeah.
Full bolt-ons, intakes, 1050cc injectors.
What?
340 liter per hour fuel pump.
Smell that.
Z1 test pipes and an Invidia catback.
Oh, damn. That's you're running out of things to mod.
Yeah, I want to go cams next.
Okay.
That's the next big move is cams. I want to try and get this in like mid 12s NA.
I don't want to give anything away. I don't want to give anything away, but we, you know, he just listed off a whole bunch of parts, and we actually have something planned already for this car.
Yes, we do.
So,
big plans.
Yeah. That up. Wow. Just hear it. Oh man, I need to see what this looks like from the outside.
All right.
Cool. Wow. You can just hear it popping and clacking in the back the whole time.
Yeah, I love it.
It's amazing.
It's definitely worth it. Anyone who says that a tune isn't worth it is crazy.
Oh no, you need to. If you do, woo! Sweet.
So I'll show you some downshifts once we get to this light up here so I can pop a U-turn real quick.
Okay. Oh.
Still a little jumpy.
Yeah.
It's that aggressive tune on there.
Right? Yeah, it's that's what happens when you give it too much gas when you shift down. It's like pulling me into the seat, and like
it pulls a little bit better also because it's all-wheel drive. It's not the rear-wheel drive version.
Sure, but from a naturally aspirated car, like to pull and like I can feel it. That's awesome. Yeah. What's this thing put into the ground? Do you know?
317 all-wheel horsepower and 272 torque.
Woo!
Not bad for an NA all-wheel drive
right
application.
I want to get some shots of it shooting flames right here.
Okay.
Real quick. All right. Woo! Dude, that is insane. Yo, that is nuts. Yo. Yeah. Yo, let's get some rollers real quick. Tyler, can I hop in your car?
Alright.
Sweet.
Austin.
We're Austin? You want? I'll
A little low on gas. Alright, yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool. We're gonna get some rollers. Yeah. Oh. Actually, I haven't been this. This is nice and new.
2014.
2014. Cool.
Yes, sir.
dying. Oh, this is amazing. Woo!
This is great. That's what I call a stock sleeper.
Yeah, right? Is it stock ride height?
Stock ride height, all this is just wheel spacers and that's it.
You just hear them pull up, or you just smell them pull up. You're like, someone has an increased fuel trim. works?
Car works great.
Yeah.
Great.
Woo! Got race cars all over the place. Awesome work.
Awesome,
Woo!
man. Thank you.
Dude.
Yeah, make sure you stay tuned to Mill's Garage. We got some big things coming for this car.
Listen to him. Listen to him. He's got outros going on. Holy what? Yep, so Nick said it. Make sure you're tuned in, and if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. We've got so much more coming up.
Hell yeah.
And with Nick's car, we're going to be changing this setup just a smidge, so make sure you stay tuned.
Yeah, man, big things coming in the future for this car.
Big, dude, this is, yeah. So make sure you subscribe. This is gonna be the last video that we have before the holidays and New Year, so Happy New Year to everyone, Happy Holidays. And
I think that's it, right?
yeah. Make sure
Awesome. Awesome, man.
Awesome work, buddy.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mill's Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Brian, what did you do to your cousin's car here?
We got a new water pump timing belt, new thermostat, and fixed the exhaust leak.
That sounds like legit work right there.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. Cool.
Yep.
Yep. You got a Subi. More coming up with that too. You. Definitely more coming up with this car. So make sure you're subscribed. Yo! That is sick!
Never
Woo!
gets old, man, never gets old.
That is... Cool.